Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SunPass. Log in and manage your toll account step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Type SunPass.com in the address bar and press enter. On the home page, find and click the option that says Activate Transponder or Activate SunPass. Choose the transponder type you have, such as SunPass Mini or SunPass Pro. Carefully enter the transponder number exactly as it appears on your device or packaging. Click Continue to move to the next screen. Enter your vehicle information, including license plate number, state, and vehicle type. Double-check the plate number because tolls are matched to it. Select an account type, usually personal, unless you manage a company fleet. Create your online profile by entering your email address and creating a strong password. Write down your password in a safe place so you can log in later. Add your contact details like name, phone number, and mailing address. Choose your preferred communication settings for alerts and notifications. Set up your payment method by selecting a credit card, debit card, or bank account option. Enter payment details and confirm the billing address matches your card records. Pick an auto-replenishment amount so your balance refills automatically. Review the activation summary and confirm everything is correct. Submit the activation and wait for the confirmation message on the screen. Now return to the SunPass homepage and click Login or My Account. Enter your email and password, then sign in to your dashboard. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link and follow the email reset steps. In the dashboard, check your current balance and recent toll activity. Go to Vehicles or Manage Vehicles to add, remove, or update license plates. Go to Transponders to confirm the device is linked and marked as active. Open Payment Methods to update cards. Change Auto Reload, or add a backup payment. Use Statements or Transactions to download toll history for your records. Turn on text or email low balance alerts so you avoid violations and extra fees. If you see any incorrect tolls, use the dispute or customer service options to request a review. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.